Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera flickering issue in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to solve this problem, first of all, restart your iPhone. So to restart, click on your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this button to restart your iPhone. So after restarting, if it's still not working, then go to settings and click on general. Now here in general, click on software update, and from here update your iOS to latest version. If your iOS is not updated to latest version, update it to the latest version. So after updating the latest version, the camera will start working properly, and if it's not working properly, then try cleaning the lens. After cleaning the camera lens with a tissue or a paper, and then go to settings, and in settings scroll down and click on general. Now here in general, scroll down and click on transfer or reset. Now here click on reset. Now from the pop-up menu, click on reset all settings and then enter your lock screen passcode. Now here again click on reset all settings to confirm. So after resetting all settings, the camera will start working properly, and if it's still not working, then contact Apple company. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.